Magandang araw bagong Pilipinas, narito ang Police News Express sa oras na ito. Maagang nagsagawa ng inspeksyon ngayong araw ang Regional Mobile Force Battalion NCRPO para sa kahandaan at deployment ng kanilang mga tauhan para sa search, rescue, and retrieval operations kaugnay kay Bagyong Enteng. Nakahanda at nakaalerto ang mga tauhan ng RMFB kasama ng kanilang disaster equipment at essential rescue tools tulad ng life rings, life vests, boats, spine boards, utility ropes, and medical kits para sa kanilang deployment ngayong araw. Lalo na at maraming lugar sa nasasakupan ng NCR ang mataas na ang level ng tubig at binabahana.
Okay, in response to Typhoon Enteng, we are now conducting accounting of personnel of RSSF and search and rescue to ensure the operational readiness of RMFB as well as the equipment needed during the response for possible deployment and response, especially in the flooded area in Metro Manila. So this is to ensure that we are capable and operationally ready for any deployment in terms of calamity and other disaster and emergency responses.
At para sa iba pang napapanahong balitang pampulisya, laging tumutok sa Police News Network, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng balitang pulis. Ako po si Patrolman Lubimir Julian, nagbabalita para sa Police News Network.